whoa, brain. And it is no longer a dress, and it is now a shirt. Ow, ow. Someone stop me. Now that my hips have expanded because they don't like. We meet again on my bed. Hello my beautiful YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hallie, if you don't already know. You guys probably know by now that if I am sitting on my bed, it kind of means that I'm doing a closet declutter. So before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe because I make a new video every Monday on minimalism, healthy living, and intentional living. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that. Like this video if you enjoy closet declutters. If you guys watched my last closet, If you guys watched my last closet declutter, you know that I said that I've been decluttering things way too quickly. I just decluttered the stuff that was hanging up in my closet in that video. If you haven't watched that already, I will link it down below. You can go check it out right after this video. I will also link my whole minimalism playlist down below, so if you guys are interested in declutter or need some decluttering inspiration, go check out that playlist and you can just binge watch all of those. But basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be decluttering the rest of my clothes that are in my closet. So obviously first things first, we need to put the clothes on the bed. Ba-chow, ba-chow. I do have clothes in my dresser, and if I have time, if I'm really feeling it, I'll go through some of those clothes today. But this is what we're just gonna mainly tackle today. Now I don't think it's gonna take too long, hopefully not, but we'll find out. So we're just gonna pick out right from the top, which is this velvet tank top. I love this tank top. I think it's lived its life. I don't find myself gravitating toward it anymore. It's just not my style anymore, so it's going to be in the giveaway pile, which I will put right here. Next are these plain high-waisted black leggings. These did their time, they did me well, but as you can see over time, they have become very stretched out and are now see-through. There's also just kind of like almost like there's a bunch of snags on the knee and like rips and stuff, so these aren't even worth it to be donated because I don't want anybody walking around like literally the butt is like ripping in half. So these are gonna be recycled. Moving on to this dress. I feel so bad. So this is from a boutique called Aria Sage. It is my friend's boutique, and listen, this dress was beautiful, but somehow it accidentally ended up in the dryer, and it is no longer a dress, and it is now a shirt, and I'm gonna be honest, it's a lot cuter as a dress. So unless I want to wait like 10 years for paisley to be able to fit in this, I'm just gonna think I might still donate it because someone might like this as a shirt or even like a dress for like a 10-year-old. It's still really cute. I was so sad when I pulled this out of the dryer and it was shrunk because I really liked this dress. So that's gonna be donated. Unfortunately, some basic black biker shorts, you guys know. I wear these all the time. We're keeping them. Tennis skirt, clearly keeping this. If you haven't heard me rave about this tennis skirt, you just need one in your life. Go get a tennis skirt. They're amazing, especially if you're a mom with a toddler. Whew. It's the fact that it has pockets. All right, moving on. These sweatpants, these are more pajama pants. These are really nice for winter time. These are so comfortable when I'm just lounging around. So we're gonna keep these for now because I still actually really do wear them a lot. I've had these for years, but you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Speaking of broke and fixing, my hair is falling out completely. You know what, we might just lose this clip. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, we're just gonna lose the clip. All right. Moving on. These are some old dance team warm-ups. I don't really wear them, but I might put them in a storage box because I don't really want to get rid of them. Mainly because I like the jacket, and the jacket still has my name on it, and I just kind of want the whole set. Not that I can ever see me using these. Just kidding, I have to keep these. Because these are gonna be the pants that I use when I get spray tans. If you haven't seen my spray tan video on my experience on my first spray tan, go watch that video. I did wear these pants in there. So I'm gonna keep these, literally for that reason. These are Christmas pajamas. Do I need to explain myself more? No. Me and my sister wear these exact same leggings every single year on Christmas, so I need to keep them. Kind of similar thing to the first pair of pants. These are some old warm-ups. I think I'm also going to keep these because these are just very baggy and they're nice when I don't want to have like a super tight bottom on my pants. Plus these ones I actually like better because they're gray. These Adidas sweatpants I wear all the time, keeping them. These sweatpants, I think I might get rid of these. These are actually guys sweatpants, but it has like the pilling and stuff in like the crotch area. Chris actually bought these originally for himself and then they didn't fit, so he gave them to me. But I think I have enough sweatpants that I think I'm gonna donate these. They're still very nice, still very comfy, but I have a lot of sweatpants and I really genuinely don't need them. Next, speaking of sweatpants, these are sweatpants for my school. They say Aquinas on the side because that's where I went to college. I'm gonna keep these. These are one of my favorite pairs of sweatpants. Moving on to wow, I keep saying moving on. Someone stop me, please. These gray sweatpants. Sweatpants, these are leggings. These leggings, these are from Garage. I've had these for years. They're actually in a size medium, which is slightly too big, but a small is too small. So, I mean, it's fine. I'm going to keep these because I only really have these and like 2 other pairs of leggings that I actually wear. So I'm going to keep these. Next, these leggings, which are actually from a dance costume. They have like these mesh cutouts on the side, but they are starting to get slightly see-through. They're still pretty cool. They kind of got a couple runs like in the elastics on the side. Again, did their time well. They weren't really meant for me to wear them out anyway. It was meant for a dance competition. It just so happened that they fit after and I wanted to wear them. So these rips are pretty bad on the side. I think I'm going to recycle those. These leggings, oh man, I used to love these leggings. These are the most comfortable leggings ever in the world. I think these are also from the Garage, but now that my hips have expanded because child, these are now too small and insanely see-through. Like, these would only be okay for me to wear in the house. And if I'm going to wear comfortable pants in the house, it's not going to be leggings. It's going to be sweatpants. So these will be donated. Another pair of gray leggings from Garage, nonetheless. You know what? I think I might just get rid of these. They have a hole, well, that I stitched up in the crotch, and they're just so old. I've had these at least since high school. They've done their time. I only really wear these when I haven't done laundry in a while. I think I'm gonna recycle these just because I know they're gonna rip apart soon, which is why I don't wear them often. These leggings were from Dance. It literally says Dance on the back. These were great. However, they don't fit me. They're very uncomfortable. I think a guy made these leggings because it just doesn't work. I'm not going to get rid of these. I am going to see if another girl on our dance team, keep in mind I'm not on the dance team anymore, I am retired, but I want to see, I'm going to visit them soon, so I'll ask if anybody wants these because these won't fit my sister, and yeah, they're just uncomfortable and I never wear them, so I'm going to ask if anybody wants them. This skirt. Alright, I'm going to show you guys a picture of what this skirt looked like on me when I was pregnant. I wore this skirt on my first day of school on my junior year. Loved it. So cute for when I was pregnant. Like, I was obsessed with this skirt. However, I never ever wear it. And I low-key might put this in my maternity clothes because it is so cute when pregnant, like your little belly bump. And it's very stretchy. I think I'm gonna throw this in with my maternity clothes because I did really like it when I was pregnant. I just don't wear it when I'm not pregnant. Moving on, these pants. I wear these pants all the time to church because I work in the nursery. They're super, super comfy and they look nice. These are from Banana Republic. So they like look like dress pants, but they feel like sweatpants. And that's exactly what I'm here for. I'm going to keep these. These jeans, if you guys watched my last video, I wore these jeans. I wear them all the time. I only have 2 pairs of jeans. So I'm gonna keep these ones. Funny thing is, this is my other pair of jeans and I'm gonna get rid of them. So I guess I'll only have 1 pair of jeans. These are skinny jeans, and if I'm being honest, skinny jeans are not in style, which I have nothing against skinny jeans. I actually still really like them. However, these are too skinny of skinny jeans that I find them extremely uncomfortable, and since being a mom, I can't do uncomfortable. Next, I'm keeping this t-shirt. I don't even know why I put this t-shirt in here. This is pajamas. These are both pajamas. I'm keeping these. I wear pajamas every night. These red sweatpants, again, were from school, but I really like these ones. I wear these ones all the time, so I'm keeping these ones. These pants, I got these from Target. These are just like pajama pants, but they're a little too big. These are in a size medium, and shorts wise, a size medium is a little too big for me right now. And for pajama pants, I find them a little too long and a little too uncomfortable, so these are going to be donated. This is the pile we have for donations. So exciting. We're getting rid of quite a few clothes, to be honest. I'm hoping this cleans up my closet a little bit. So now it is day 2 of decluttering the rest of my clothes. I looked back on the footage that I filmed yesterday and I just decided it was just not enough for you guys. I needed to give you guys a little bit more. So we're gonna go through the rest of my dresser. Not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna try to keep these folded because they're all folded so nicely and I really don't want to refold them. Here's the thing. T-shirts are really hard for me to get rid of, and I just don't know why. There's something about a t-shirt that you've had for like years that you got from like a dance convention or something, and you just don't want to get rid of it. So we're gonna try. Oh no, I can already see where this is going. This is just a red long sleeve t-shirt. I used this as part of my costume for Halloween last year. I haven't pretty much worn it since. I've only worn it like maybe a handful of times, so that will be donate. This is not going very well. Okay, these t-shirts, I have 2 of the exact same t-shirt. They say I heart AQ dance on it, but I'm going to put this in my pile with my leggings that I was going to take to the girls to see if any of them want them. That's pretty much everything in my t-shirt drawer. So only getting rid of like 3 things, not the best. I can't get myself to do it. This is my workout or athletic wear. Starting off with leggings, blue Gymshark leggings. I got this on their Black Friday sale. I still like these. They're a little too big for me now because I bought them when I was right after I gave birth to Paisley, so I was like 1 size up. So these are a little big, but I still wear them for when I'm just doing like upper body. Actually, I might even wear these today because they don't suck in so much where I feel like I'm being suffocated. They're more comfortable for like if I'm doing like an upper body, but I wouldn't wear these on cardio day because they would not stay up. These green leggings, I'm gonna keep these. These shorts, I think I'm gonna get rid of them. They actually, like 1 wash after I got them, the seam in the middle started to rip. It's not see-through and I might be able to stitch it, but I just don't ever reach for these. I always reach for my other shorts instead. So I'm going to donate these because if someone can fix these up, these are nice Gymshark shorts. Black t-shirt, keeping this, especially because this would be a nice one for me to wear to work. Gymshark tank top, keeping. I'm going to be keeping my tank tops that I got from school. This Nike long sleeve, I just don't ever wear it. If I need a long sleeve or anything, I just wear a normal t-shirt. I'm going to donate that. Keeping all these, just getting rid of the 1 workout shirt, workout shorts. I'm gonna have to refold these. The last drawer, I'm gonna be honest, I really need to go through this stuff. Wow, okay, wow, okay, wow, okay. I probably should have started with like bras and then underwear and like went from there, but apparently we're just gonna hop on in. Starting with keeping my only 2 bras that I own. Or not that I own, but that I use. These big fuzzy socks, they're great. I'm gonna get rid of them though because it does like the thing where it has like 2 different linings and then the one gets twisted in the other after I wash it, and I don't really like the feel of these on my feet if my feet are dry. So this is all the stuff we're keeping. Hold on, I think that's all. Let me quick clean up here and then we will see how much we're actually getting rid of. Look at all this stuff. Whoa, look at all the stuff we're getting rid of. This is a pretty good pile, and this is literally just the stuff that is either being donated or recycled, but this is all of it. High five to us. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to go check out my other closet declutters, I'll have my minimalism playlist linked down below. You can go check those out. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Yeah, I will see you guys all in next week's video. Bye.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby